I wanna show you how to add a basic zoom effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you select your frame video, double click on your preview screen, and you will immediately notice the blue circle. It is your anchor point, the point where you wanna that your zoom effect will happen. Then go to Effects Control and switch the scale on. As you can see, the first keyframe will be added. Then move your timeline slider few seconds ahead, and here, instead of 120, we will write 240. Let's see the first effect. Perfect. Now we wanna get the zoom back effect. Move your timeline 2 seconds ahead. Press on the icon. Then move your timeline again at the end of the video. Instead of 240, we are going to write 120. Cool. Let's see the final result, guys. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.